Container gardening is a fun activity that you can do with your kids. One idea you can try is to grow potatoes in a bag. Freshly harvested potatoes right out of the ground have an incredible taste. They are really amazing. To grow potatoes in a container, you will need a large container, good quality potting soil, seed potatoes, fertilizer, and about 6 to 8 hours of sun. Choose a large container with good drainage. I like to use this Smart Pot because it's big and easier to move around than a large pot. You can also use a reusable grocery bag. The best potatoes to use are certified seed potatoes that you can find online or at a nursery. Certified seed potatoes have been documented as being disease and pest-free. You can use some potatoes that you find in a grocery store, but not all of them will grow. Many grocery store potatoes have been sprayed or treated so that they won't sprout. If the potato can't sprout, then it can't grow more potatoes. If you can't find certified seed potatoes, you can also use organic potatoes instead. If your potato is about the size of an egg, you can just plant it whole straight into the soil. Bigger potatoes should be cut first. Cut your potato into pieces so that there are at least 2 eyes on each piece. Use an all-purpose fertilizer. Add some to the soil when you first plant your potatoes. Then, fertilize again about every couple of weeks during the growing season. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Roll down the sides of a bag until it is about 6 inches tall. Step 2. Put about 5 inches of potting soil in the bag. Level it off. Step 3. Plant 5 potatoes in the soil. Make a square with the potatoes, 1 on each corner, then 1 in the middle. Step 4. Place the bag in a location where it can get at least 6 to 8 hours of sun each day. Step 5. Check the soil daily and water it if needed. It should be moist but not soggy. Step 6. As the potatoes grow, you will need to add more potting soil to the bag and roll up the edges. Wait until all 5 of your potatoes grow to about 6 inches tall before adding more soil. As the potatoes continue to grow, keep adding potting soil and roll up the edges of the bag. In about a month, your bag should be completely full of potting soil and your plants will be almost fully developed. Step 7. Keep the plants watered and healthy. Once the potato plant is mature, it will begin to flower, then turn yellow and die. When this happens, usually 3 to 4 months after planting, stop watering the plant and let it completely die back. Step 8. Empty the bag. You can involve the kids in finding the potatoes. Step 9. Let the potatoes dry for a day or so. Brush off any remaining dried dirt and store in a cool, dry place. Do not store in plastic bags. Growing potatoes in a bag. It's a great project that you can do with your kids. Good luck and have fun!